Learn Persian. Can you?
می توانید.
Welcome. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart shortcut to languages. For transcripts, drills, and more, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the polite request, can you, in Persian Farsi.
می توانید.
Think of it as your polite magic key, ask nicely, doors open. Your goal today. Stay with me, you'll learn it, say it, and actually use it, politely and confidently. By the end, you'll use.
می توانید.
In real situations like asking for help, opening a window, or speaking more slowly. Forms and pronunciation. Let's get the forms right so you sound polite and natural. Formal and polite.
می توانید.
Great for strangers, service staff, and respect. Informal and friendly.
میتونید.
Casual. Negative question.
نمی توانید.
Can't you? Pro tip. Place the action after it, e.g., open, help, speak. Mini dialogues. Listen, repeat, and imagine you're in the scene. You, can you, to help me with this bag?
می توانید به من با این کیف کمک کنید.
Clerk. Sure, no problem. You, can you, to open the window, please?
می توانید پنجره را باز کنید.
Friend. Fresh air coming up. You, can you, to speak more slowly?
می توانید آهسته‌تر صحبت کنید.
Guide. Of course. Culture tip. Be polite and you'll get smiles back. In Iran, politeness matters. Using.
می توانید.
Shows respect with strangers and service staff. Gesture. Raise your hand slightly, palm up, and tilt your head while saying.
می توانید.
If things are tense, a softer tone helps.
می توانید کمی آرامتر صحبت کنید.
Memory boosters. Let's lock it in with a few tricks. Rhyme. When you need aid, don't be afraid, say.
می توانید.
And help is made. Mnemonic. Mi-ta-va-nid sounds like, me to van it, can you help move the van?
می توانید.
Loci. At your front door, imagine you ask the door itself.
می توانید باز شوید.
The door creaks open. Humor image. A lazy magic carpet won't move until you ask politely.
می توانید کمی سریعتر بروید.
More handy phrases. Mix the key phrase with useful actions. Can you show me?
می توانید به من نشان بدهید.
Can you help me?
می توانید به من کمک کنید.
Can you tell me the address?
می توانید آدرس را به من بگویید.
Could you? Softer alternative.
ممکنه.
Quick quiz. Tiny test time, answer out loud. Q1. How do you say, can you? In Persian? A.
می توانید.
Q2. True or false?
می توانید.
Is informal slang. A. False, it's formal and polite. Q3. Fill the blank, blank. A.
می توانید.
Speed round. Say it now.
می توانید.
Challenge mode. Ready to sound natural? Try these quickly after me. Can you show me the way?
می توانید راه را به من نشان بدهید.
Can you close the door?
می توانید در را ببندید.
Can't you speak more slowly?
نمی توانید آهسته تر صحبت کنید.
Informal bonus. Can you open the window?
میتونید پنجره رو باز کنید.
Wrap up. You did great. Polite Persian power unlocked. Remember, your polite key is
می توانید.
use it anywhere and add your action. Thanks for listening. Practice a little every day and you'll sound smoother each time. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and resources at www.synapse-lingo.com.